Hello! Today I'm going to make a granny scarf like this, but this scarf is made with yarn number 3, white yarn, and today I'm going to use yarn number 4, this one. I love it so much and I think it's gonna be beautiful. And also I will use crochet hook number 6. To start the pattern, we need to have chain to belong multiple chains of 3 plus 1. So I'm going to have 24 chains plus 1 is gonna be 25. So slip knot, sorry, and make 25 chains. So I have 25 chains. Now to start the first row we need to chain 2 more, and we make a double crochet in the third chain from the hook and make double crochet in each chain. So whole row just double crochet. I finished the row. I have 25 double crochet. For the row 2, chain 3, turn, and we are going to make a double crochet in the same stitch, first stitch. So we have 2 double crochet, actually one is chain of 3 and another is double crochet. We skip 2 stitches, and in the next stitch we will make 3 double crochet in 1 stitch. We skip 2 stitches and again 3 double crochet, and this is our pattern for a whole row. More, skip 2 stitches and 3 double crochet in next one. I'm at the end of the row and I have 3 more stitches left. I skip 2 of them, and in the last one I make 2 double crochet. For the row 3, chain 3, turn, and we will make 3 double crochet in between these 2 clusters of stitches. So here we make 3 double crochet, skip these 3 stitches, and here again we make 3 double crochet in between. Again we skip 3 stitches and we make 3 double crochet in between. So this is the pattern for this row, and we continue until we finish the row. I finished the row. I have just 1 stitch left. I'm gonna make double crochet in the last stitch, so it's actually chain 3. So this is finish row, and for the next row we are going to repeat second row. So this pattern is just repeating 2 rows, second and third. So now we make chain 3, turn, and we are gonna make another double crochet. We can put it here in between. So this is like a half stitch here. We skip 3 stitches and make 3 double crochet. Skip 3 and 3 double crochet. Skip 3 and make 3 double crochet. So this is easy pattern. Oops. And it will work very fast. You can make it the scarf wider if you like. And now I am going to continue until I am happy with the length of the scarf. So like I said, just repeat second and third row and it will go very fast. I will see you when I finish the scarf, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. To finish the scarf, I am going to make 1 double crochet in each stitch. So this is gonna be my last row.